Today, we have some exciting news about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's all about durability. Samsung made some bold claims about the strength of their new flagship, but how well does it actually hold up in real-world conditions? Well, independent drop tests have just been conducted, and the results are nothing short of impressive. Stick around as we dive deep into how the S25 Ultra performed in punishing drop tests and whether it's truly built to last. Samsung officially unveiled the Galaxy S25 Ultra at a recent Unpacked event in San Francisco, and alongside all the new features, they emphasized one major upgrade: durability. The company highlighted Corning's latest innovation, Gorilla Armor 2, which is used on both the front and back of the phone. According to Corning, this new glass technology can withstand drops from heights of up to 2.2 meters or approximately 7.2 feet. That's a significant claim, but does it actually hold up in real-world drop tests? To put Samsung's claims to the test, popular YouTuber PB Reviews conducted a series of drop tests on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, dropping it on concrete from different angles. And the results? They're pretty amazing. The phone took multiple falls, yet it survived without any major damage. In fact, even after repeated drops, the screen and back panel remained in perfect condition. The new Grade 5 titanium frame, which Samsung introduced for enhanced durability, showed only minor scratches and small dents. This level of toughness is something we don't often see in premium smartphones, making the S25 Ultra one of the most resilient flagship devices on the market today. If we compare this to last year's model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the difference is noticeable. In a similar drop test conducted on the S24 Ultra, the phone did well, but suffered a small crack on one of its corners after just one drop. This raised concerns about its long-term durability, especially for users who tend to drop their phones frequently. So, does this mean the Galaxy S25 Ultra is more drop-resistant than its predecessor? Based on these tests, it certainly seems like it. However, it's important to remember that drop tests always involve a degree of randomness. A tiny pebble on the ground or a slight change in the angle of impact can dramatically alter the results. That being said, the improved durability of the S25 Ultra is undeniable. One interesting thing to note is that while Corning improved drop resistance with Gorilla Armor 2, they had to dial back the scratch resistance slightly compared to the original Gorilla Armor. This means that while the S25 Ultra can handle drops better than the S24 Ultra, it might be more prone to scratches over time. This trade-off is a common challenge for glass manufacturers as they have to find the right balance between drop and scratch resistance. Another factor that contributes to the S25 Ultra's durability is its design. Unlike some curved screen phones that have weak points along the edges, the S25 Ultra features completely flat panels on both the front and back. This who values durability and wants a phone that can withstand everyday mishaps, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an excellent choice. What do you think about these drop test results? Does the durability of the S25 Ultra make you more interested in buying one? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.